Hello viewers, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will describe about boiler firing system and burner management system. Here is the boiler nameplate, steam boiler, Beijing boiler works, and its Saki burner management system is Saki Germany. This is the firing burner unit. Here is two burner, the lower burner and upper. And also you see, and here is the built different instruments connected here, and this is gas line inlet for two boilers. Two separated gas line is connected here. Now we will see, this is the gas inlet line, and the valve is open now. Here is the main inlet gas flow line, and its pressure is likely 7.2 MPa. Here that means 7 kg per centimeter square. And here is a valve. This valve is, now the boiler is closed and stop condition, so this gas valve is closed. But here the pressure gauge, and here is also, this is the gas pressure regulator, and also showing the pressure because the pressure is blocked here. When the boiler is at running condition, the pressure remains like this, 2.5 to 2.6, 2.7 kg per centimeter square. That means 2.7 bar. This is pressure gas pressure regulator, and this regulator regulates the outlet gas pressure. And here you can see a blower, air blower. The necessary air is supplied from here, and inside the boiler air and gas is burned. Now we will see here, this is one and this one is block valve, and also this is vent valve. That means between these two valves is, if gas remain, then this valve is vent to drain line. It is only for safety. Here you see, and this is the gas control valve. Here gas control valve. This is special control valve, and here the signal is connected by Ethernet cable. You see, there is a connection cable, and also damper control motor here. The signal is also connected to burner management system through Ethernet cable. At first, when the burner is started, then the vent valve is, this vent valve is open condition, and this block valve is closed position, and the gas control valve remains at 0 position. That is closed position. Now it is 0. That is closed position. And also here is, this unit is flame detector, and this is igniter, and here is this, to this igniter, here is the gas flow line, and here is air flow line. And also to the flame detector is also air line for cleaning to this pipeline. And here is also a glass. Like this, you can see the flame inside present or not. At the time we start, then air flows from the blower to this line, and this line into the boiler. And inside this boiler, if any explosive gases, then it is sent to flare. This process is called purging. This purging process, at this time, full air passes through this boiler chamber, and then it is going to flare. Here you can see this unit, here is flare. And after 2 minutes, the purging system is completed, and then initially the ignition is started. At this time, from this Here is a solenoid valve and gas regulator also. Small gases passes through this line to igniter, and also here is a air. This is air line, and this is electrical signal line. So at first, through this electrical supply line, the igniter has electrodes to negative and positive. There is a high voltage plate. Its supply voltage 220 volt AC and output voltage likely 9000 volt. So there inside there, for this igniter, a spark create, and when spark create, then passing through this pipe and this air and gas, then there create a flame. This is called also pilot valve. And when this flame is created for high voltage and gas and air, then a signal goes to burner management system. At that time, this vent valve is closed. That is, if we passes through gas through this block valve, then if this valve is not closed, then gas is still passing to air. That means atmosphere. So at first this vent valve is closed and these two block valve is opened. At that time, the damper control motor, that one damper control motor, this is damper control connecting arm, control this arm and minimum airflow into the boiler, and this block valve also open. At the same time, the gas control valve also open a small position. And when this gas control valve, gas passes and also air passes through this burner or boiler, then though there is a flame or igniter, the fire is already created. So through this air and gas, also a large fire created, and gradually this gas control valve is opening, percentage is increased, and also proportionally airflow is valve is increased. So air and gas is regulated and its ratio slightly 13 to 14. That means gas into air ratio 1:13 is likely maintained. And when inside this chamber fire is created, then here is a flame detector. This flame detector detects the fire, and here you can see now the stop condition, and here is no fire. So when inside the boiler fire created, and then this is green color and the circuit is closed. If any reason inside the boiler fire is stopped, then this flame detector will detect and at the same time stop the boiler burner. Also there is pressure switch, and there is also a pressure switch. When gas pressure anytime may be high, then if our gas regulator if anytime not function rightly, then pressure will rise, and for set point this pressure switch activated and the boiler circuit will open and stop the boiler. At the same time, when pressure is too much low, then that pressure switch will also stop the firing of the boiler. This is the safety reason, so here not created any accident. And always it is maintained all these parameters from the research panel. Also we can see the procedure from burner management system, and this is our boiler chamber. Here is the boiler chamber, and here is economizer. Here the flue gas passes through this layer to atmosphere, and here defined gases is detected and analyzed. This is analyzer room. Also here is the drum level control and pressure control is maintained. You can see here is different transmitter, the level transmitter, pressure transmitter and flow transmitter, and also you can see there is different control valves for feed water, and also the upper side there is safety valve for pressure regulating or level controlling. Also here is CC camera, and at the same time for level here is transmitter, differential pressure transmitter. You see, this is differential pressure transmitter from the level glass. It is connected. There is 2 numbers boiler. You see, there is another boiler complete, and its capacity is 80 ton per hour. That means in 1 hour it can generate or production. Its production capacity is 80 ton steam, and this is water tube boiler. Water tube boiler means inside the tube water flows, and inside the tube chamber gas fire is occurred. You can see there's all the system up. All the system is kept here for a water tube 80 ton per hour capacity boiler. Also here is gas detector. If any natural gas is leakage, then a detector unit is used here. It will alarm, and you can take the necessary action. And also here is pressure transmitter. Different, you see, different transmitter is displayed here. There is also different valve. Also here is control valve, electromagnetic, and also motor operated valve is connected here. So it is complete a safety maintained boiler. So there generally get no accident. If any different problems arise, then automatically the boiler is stopped and no accident created.
This boiler is controlled by DCS system, that means distributed control system. At first, to start the boiler, its force dot fan is started to apply or to get sufficient air, and also this boiler is controlled by burner management system. Here at first we start the damper control motor from a DCS system. Its color is yellow, and when it will start, then its color will be changed, and after some time when the motor will start, then its color will be green. This is a water tube boiler, and from the field different connections are connected to the burner management system, and then from the burner management system it is connected to DCS system. So from this server or operating station, it is possible to control the boiler firing.
এটা কালার কিন্তু চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে, বুঝছো? আগে কিন্তু কালার চেঞ্জ হয় না।
As the boiler is controlled by DCS system, so everything is smoothly controlled by operation from a PC. And from the burner management system, there is 3-element system, that means steam flow, water flow, and water level, drum level. When we need maximum or steam, then we need to flow sufficient water, and drum level should be maximum or a steady level, because for maximum steam flow sufficient firing is needed, that means gas flow and water flow, and at the same time within a short period maximum steam will produce or generate, and so this level will decrease maybe shortly, or
জাহাঙ্গীর ভাই
so we need to follow this level
এই যে দিলাম
steam flow and water flow.
আচ্ছা
We can see
তো আমরা সময় লাগবে
the steam flow, steam pressure, drum level,
দিয়া দিই
temperature, superheated steam temperature.
হ্যাঁ
So it is very easier to control the boiler by burner management system as well as DCS system. You see the force dot fan is started. Now we will start the boiler firing, and from the DCS system we started, and we can follow this procedure from our burner management system, which is connected to a HMI, and also we can see from the field instruments are working properly or not. To start the boiler, the gas valve is opened and the blower is started, and also the drum level, water level, it is maintained. When its purging time and ignition time is completed, then the boiler is fired. You can see the boiler is fired, and here is a indicating the flame, and also by detecting the inside flame, the boiler is now started. And from this HMI we can see the condition. You see, when we started the boiler, here showing at first the purging. From the HMI it is completely seen what's happening, and after purging you see here is a problem, the burner is off because the igniter flame is not detected. Again we reset the boiler and fault is removed, and again started the boiler. You see, here is showing the indication ignition position is requested. When purging completed, then a spark plug, there is high voltage created, and at the same time small amount of air and gas flows, and there create a flame. Then ignition flame is detected, and after that the main gas control flow valve is opened. Now the boiler is started and it is in operation condition. After starting the boiler, we can increase or decrease our load. If we increase our load percentage, then at the same time the gas flow will increase and steam generation will increase. Also from the HMI we can see the history. That means in previous, when the fault is created or when the events are occurred, we can see from this HMI, and after visiting this we can take the necessary action. And here is the burner management system. This is controller, and in conventional method there exist many relay, timer and others, but here is only a controller. And here is some small little numbers of relays, and also here is flame detector relay. Only simple units are available here. This is the burner management system panel, and here is the Ethernet cable connected to the main gas flow control valve. It is a special valve and its signal is connected by a Ethernet cable. There is two burner or a single boiler, so here is two separate controllers. Or a single unit need a single controller and some necessary relays and instruments. Here is HMI. The boiler is now running and the load percentage is 24%, and the two boiler remain the same load. When started, we can run a single burner also, and from the DCS we can see the two burners are at fired condition. Thanks to all for visiting this channel and watch this video, and also please subscribe this channel if you not subscribed.